Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to GONGSAM Table channel analytics. GONGSAM has uploaded 372 videos. He now has 5.37 million subscribers with a total view of 1,069,277,638 views. He's from Korea, and his channel type is entertainment. He created his channel since August 21, 2018. The grade he got is A-, and his social blade ranking is at 2,752nd. The subscriber ranking is 2,400th and then video view rank is 4,823rd. He ranked at 47th in Korea and 780th in entertainment. Next, the daily subs for GONGSAM is around 5.66k with a daily view of 1,399,800. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 217,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $5,600. Then, monthly income will be $168,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $92,400 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $1,108,800. That is how much GONGSAM Table earns from YouTube.